6 3.5-inch diameter cables. If you follow the cables to the right, you will see the lifting mechanism of the crane that is supported by the cables. This is the original crane from the building of the dam. It is the oldest and largest continuously operating cableway crane system in the world with a lift capacity of 150 tons. The crane is used to deliver large equipment from the road to the ramps below. Looking at these canyon walls, one can marvel at the tenacity, courage, and skill of the fearless men that performed some of the most dangerous undertakings on the Boulder Canyon project. These brave characters, called high scalers, swung from the top of the canyon walls by a single rope on a bosun's chair, drilling, blasting, and chipping away at the rock. They worked the walls to their solid foundation to prevent the natural rock from falling on the workers below. It has been said that in the shadow of Hoover Dam, one feels that the future is